Hello everyone. Today we're talking about LeanBiome. We at Daac Reviews Channel have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying LeanBiome. I also have some really important alerts that I'll discuss throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid mistakes when using or purchasing LeanBiome. The first thing you need to know about LeanBiome is to be cautious about the website where you'll buy it because LeanBiome is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left a link to the official site below in the video description. So, what is LeanBiome? And does it really work? The answer is yes, LeanBiome works. After numerous laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that deliver excellent results. 3 species of lean bacteria have shown impressive results in reducing abdominal fat in clinical studies. Additionally, Greenselect Phytosome, a green tea extract, demonstrated significantly more weight loss compared to a diet alone. The combination of these ingredients promises spectacular and sustained weight loss results. So, yes, you can trust this product. Many people have achieved great results with LeanBiome, and the official website contains numerous customer testimonials. However, keep in mind that each body will react uniquely. This is obvious, but I'm telling you this to be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product you need to know before buying it. You can test LeanBiome for 180 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll refund your money. So, feel safe using LeanBiome, but make sure you're buying it from the official website to ensure the warranty benefits. Also, for LeanBiome to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Take 2 capsules per day with a sip of water, preferably in the morning before breakfast. Each bottle comes with enough capsules for a 30-day supply, or else you won't see significant results. And you might get a little frustrated. You can see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product due to its gradual effect. It's also important for you to know that LeanBiome has no side effects as it's natural. So, I decided to record this video, firstly to warn you to be careful about the website where you'll buy LeanBiome, and also, if you purchase the product, follow the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a unique way. I genuinely hope this video has helped you, and I also hope LeanBiome really helps improve your life, along with many other benefits that this product promotes. Remember that the official product website is in the description link. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.